motorcycle just passed away over there. Wait, my wallet's in my backpack. I get it. Yeah. The struggle of black life. This guy's being so fucking slow. It would take literally a fucking minute to, like, there you go. A lot of times it would just take a minute to when you press the button and it recognizes I press the button. Now on to Tortilla Floods. If I get my key to turn over. There we go. What? Oh my god. Well, I'll meet you all over there more. Yeah, aim likes to touch his butt. I don't know why. No, I am not going to touch Patrick's butt. No, it's gay. If I was gay, then I'll probably do it. Amy's just driving out over there, of course. So, I don't think my microphone was connected earlier. Again, by accident. But anyways, we're going to Tortilla's Flats. And basically, the reason we want to go there because of a couple of reasons. One, it's my first time going over there. And two, we all have all three of us has a friend over there who, by the way, that's Amy, and that's Patrick, riding my friends. But anyways, and we all had a friend over there who passed away not too long ago from suicidal, and so we're going over there and pay for our respects for his memorial over there. And y'all know me about the topic because I suffered from the same thing of depression as well. It's really hard, yeah, definitely, and so. Yeah, so we're all going to the Tortilla Flats. It's gonna be fun. Well, so nobody crashed. I probably jinxed it, but let's see. Towards Tortilla's Flats now. And our fucking design. Nice. So right now we're in a passing junction. Finally get set up. Ah, shit. Get to it. Just for 1 second. Look at that, bikers over here. Nice. Oh yeah, Amy. How much further? How much further?
Until we're actually into Tortilla Flat, maybe like 5-10 miles. and then the curves begin.
Okay. Let's hang out with those fast boys over there. Are those the fast boys that everyone talks about? Oh, they're going to help that guy out.
Actually, I don't recognize any of them though.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually I know a lot of the people I come out here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're going to help the guy out over there.
These two guys are okay, just like us.
I know, we're just like, you know, there's plenty enough over there.
Damn, look at stopping with junklers. Gee, crazy ass.
She almost fell.
Are you gonna stay out here?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the restaurant real quick.
Okay, I'll stay here. By myself. All alone. With no friends. So we're getting pretty close to Tortilla's flats. I'm pretty sure they're going to, I would assume. Back. Huh?
I made it!
Do you need to go that badly?
I have to pee. Oh my god,
You okay?
yeah, I went like this and Patrick's like, what do you need? And I was like, just point at the gas tank! Point at the gas tank! And he was like, gas? And I was just like, turn signal! And he was just like, I get it, gas station. And I was just like, yes. And I was like, baby! But I made it, it's okay.
You should have been like, the baby's coming out, the water broke.
Like your bike, remember?
Oh yeah.
Look at their bikes.
I know, they're so nice. Must be nice to have money.
I mean, we have bikes too. But they have nicer bikes.
I know. I guess Patrick's the most clapped at one. I mean, yeah.
Mine's the newer one, but it's still more clapped.
Yeah, and then mine's
It's
just...
only because like I've dropped it a few times.
Yeah, and then there's mine, of course. That's been lowered by 4 fucking inches. I miss being on curves on a sport bike. Oh, it feels so natural to me. I'm still pretty new to here, but I'm liking this a lot more better than South Mountain. Because, you know, I live close by South Mountain. And so over here, it's just like a lot nicer. I just gotta be careful. Oh yeah, this is a lot more fun now. I know it's maybe a little boring for some of y'all, but you know, this is something I really like a lot. Especially on my FRI. Yeah, if I want to, that's my old bike, my old FRI before I sold it. Do you regret selling that bike? At first, but ever since I got this bike, I don't. Yeah, people do go pretty fast around here. I like to wave at people like that. I don't know why, I just find it funnier. Yeah, we're at a first lookout. Yeah. That's awesome. That's a beautiful view. There's cops over there. For fuck's sakes. Side-by-sides over here. That's cool.
Why do you speed up after call?
Oh, Amy and Patrick got in trouble. Let's see what's in here. This is the very bottom of Tortilla's flats. This is another pretty face. No bikes on Broadway, no smoking.
It actually rattles.
I know, I heard.
This is what I saw on the road that smelled so bad.
Oh yeah, I saw that too.
Yeah, I was like, skunk.
Yeah.
They smell sweet. You could go in the restaurant now. It got stuck behind me.
I still got it, don't worry.
Look at the licorice. I said liquor.
Ew.
I'm alcoholic.
I used to be.
No, I know.
Oh, these are awesome cookies or candy. Ooh. I might get that. I'm gonna get this. This one. Oh, those are awesome too.
Would you eat it?
I feel like
I did
Yadi
it before,
would eat
yeah.
this one.
Yeah, I have before. They're awesome.
I feel like Yadi would eat that one.
Yeah, I know.
She likes the crickets in the bag.
Really?
You've ever seen her eat them?
No.
I think it was the crickets or the worms, but she eats one of them dried up.
So-
Nah, she was like, they're so good, and I was like, what?
Oh, cool. Ooh, oh, ooh, 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 ooh. I'm getting to this.
Yeah, these are dope. Look at
Shit.
It's because of the.
Well, I'm not sure how much this memory has or how much battery life I have. But in that case, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you on later. And let me know anything you have, like any topics you want to talk about or anything like that. I'm always open ears. So I'll catch you all later. See ya.